tupuranga. Tupuranga. O vai o te idoa. E reo noku. Tōku ia kapuanga ia mai. E reo noku. O tōku ia. Tū angaranga tiri. E nā kōni te te parapore a te o tukuna. Turi tamariki. E oire orai. Turi tamariki. E oire orai. Tūrou ke tātou kātutu. Tāwini o te tue ta aukare e mane o tātou te pukuni. Tātou koe te ronga o te tūrou. O tātou utoari ki huku e tātou. Are ati i atu te karaka e tātou mo i ni tātou. E ko tātou ronga mana. Pero with the immortality, Namaki Karate. Well, that's just a beautiful welcome. Kapai po, orang tira nai koi to uma e mo uma. I te mana e na tara kuai. Ta o kap ke o mai te. Ke a mai te piti a mai e. E o ta o ngati te pati e ki a koro. Turo te poko kapu. Te orana, te koto e te upu api, o koto o te rama. Te opu mai koto e te aurito, e te o meitaki, rotu te iri ang kapo, ka tātou kāko e te rama. It is indeed a very big honor for me to stand before you all, distinguished guests, teachers, community leaders, parents. I bring the warm wishes of our Prime Minister, the Honourable Henry Puna, all Cabinet Ministers, and indeed our Minister of Education, the Honourable Kenny Bishop. We recognise the important role that the Ministry of Education established in 1988, the Puna Reo. The vision to provide quality aspects for the cultural language, identity, spiritual and educational needs of our Cook Islands children to enhance their ability to succeed in their future lives. One can only marvel at the growth and success of that seed and vision planted long ago. Today we have 10 Punamareo centres and 7 playgroups established. Some of these I have been privileged to be invited and share time with our children. And may I add, the most rewarding humble experience, but joy to hear our children sing the Lord's Prayer and the national anthem in our mother tongue. Very recently, I was invited to the graduation ceremony of the New Zealand Korean College, consisting of the Waitakere, North Shore, and Manukau campus. Well over 400 graduates qualified, and this speaks for itself. The early childhood importance in our society that government has recognized in New Zealand. May I congratulate the organizers, the Ministry of Education, and indeed the Punamareo for a very successful and valuable summit. E leo komite ki anga e te akamaruri e koto e te o taunga. E mau mai te rito e te kakau tui e ang kapu. E te atui amana, te au manako, e kōpinga mo te ruki ki mua. Ka te tō koto e tauturu mai, e rekaraka ni eo i te atu e rātu ona, e rini ana kāpuna. Mau te pō, mau te e, e pukuro vai, e te mohora o katu. Kia ora, e te